You can make a Suncatcher and add crimps that are super strong. Hello live wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to add crimps to beading wire and use a double style that's good for heavier beads. So without further ado, let's get wired. I'm using Beadalon 7-strand beading wire. It comes in many sizes. I'm using the 0.020 size. You could even get thicker at 0.24. I have 2mm and 3mm size crimps. I'm going to go ahead and do one with a single crimp. This is how I usually do them for necklaces. I put the hook on and then put the end back through the crimp. I'm using the Beadalon standard crimp tool, and I'm going to first pinch the crimp so it will bend. Once we have the bend in there, we'll rotate the crimp tool and press it so it's closed and very secure. You could tug on it and it stays on. If you want it even more secure, you can put 2 crimps on there. Leave a little bit more of an end, and then we're going to add our hook, or you could add a split ring and put the end of the tiger tail back through the 2 crimps. Take the chain nose pliers and pull that end a little more so we have about 1/4 inch sticking out. Now we want it even more secure, so we're going to take that end, bring it around and back through the 2 crimps. Use your chain nose pliers to pull it tight. And now it's gone through twice. Get your crimping tool in that little crevice. We're going to put the first crimp and bend it. I like to do this 1 crimp at a time, and then the next one, crimp it. So now they're folded. And then we rotate our tool, and closer to the tip, there's a space where you could pinch them shut, 1 at a time. And now you'll see it's super solid. The tiger tail's gone through twice, and there's 2 crimps. So I call it a double. And now we're going to clip that end, and you'll see it's super solid. I added a bunch of beads, and for the end, if you don't have another dangle on the end, we're just going to finish it with the 2 crimps again. Take the end of the beading wire and put it back through those 2 crimps. And then we're going to pull the wire through. Try to make sure there's no slack between the crimps and the beads. You can just wiggle it a little bit so the crimps are against the beads. We'll pull it a little bit more so it's nice and snug. Get your crimping tool and do the first step where you bend the crimps. Do them 1 at a time. And then we're going to rotate the tool so we can close the crimps. Do them 1 at a time to make sure they're nice and solid and closed. And this makes a nice finish on the end. If you want to dangle, you could do it in the way that we left a little bit of space at the end. Clip the end, and there's your little strand of beads. This is a bead strand that was gifted to me by my friend Allison. She made a whole collection of these strands for a bead curtain, and when she passed away 6 years ago, everybody got a strand as a souvenir of her wonderful life. I'll link up a tutorial for the bead curtain in the description below the video. Today's featured live wire is Wendy. Thank you, Wendy, for your awesome participation in the 10-day scrap wire earring making challenge and for your wonderful participation in the 10-day wire bracelets to make gift and sell challenge. Be sure to stay tuned to my next video where I'm going to show you how to make these aluminum wire components and how to attach one of these chandelier dangles. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Check out my Etsy DIY shop where I have all kinds of ebooks and templates for wire art and jewelry. You can use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% on any 5 templates, tutorials, or ebooks. Join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share photos of your wire art and wire jewelry. You can also join me live on Wire Lady TV every Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where I troubleshoot new ideas and designs for wire art and wire jewelry. Have fun with these embellishments. Happy wiring, everyone, and we'll see you the next time.